Let's dive into the fascinating world of king crab production, where the stakes are high and the flavors are unmatched. It's a journey where precision and tradition collide to create something truly extraordinary. Ever wondered how king crab makes it from the sea to your plate? In the harsh, icy expanse of the Bering Sea, courageous fishermen embark on a dangerous mission to catch the coveted king crab. This journey demands nerves of steel. The unpredictable sea poses enormous risks, and the stakes are exceedingly high. These fishermen endure freezing temperatures, fierce winds, and perilous waves, all to deliver the finest king crab to our tables. The crabbing season is short, making every second on the water count. Each trip is a battle against nature, with towering waves threatening to capsize boats and icy conditions making every task more difficult. Despite the grueling conditions, the promise of a bountiful haul keeps them motivated. The success of their expedition depends on their skill and tenacity, as the quality of the catch starts with these brave souls facing the formidable sea. Every haul brings not just king crab, but the hope of a successful season. Their determination and expertise ensure that the crabs we enjoy are of the highest quality. Upon reaching the optimal fishing grounds, the critical task of setting the pots begins. These robust, large cages are baited with fish to lure in the king crabs. The placement of these pots is strategic and precise. If they are set too shallow, they may come up empty, and if too deep, they could be lost to the ocean floor. The fishermen meticulously drop hundreds of pots into the sea, marking each one's location. Timing is crucial. The pots need to soak just long enough to attract the crabs, but not too long that the bait is consumed or dissolves. This delicate balance ensures the highest chance of a successful catch. The entire operation's success hinges on executing this step flawlessly. Mistakes in this process can result in empty pots or lost equipment, both of which are costly. The precise placement and timing of each pot are vital to maximizing the catch and ensuring the sustainability of the crab population. The expertise of the fishermen is evident in every carefully calculated drop. After the pots have soaked, they are hauled back on board, each potentially filled with king crabs. Sorting the catch is the next crucial step. Each crab is swiftly measured and sorted to ensure only legal-sized males are kept, maintaining the population for future seasons. Smaller crabs and females are carefully returned to the sea. This sorting process must be rapid and accurate, conducted on the rolling deck amid challenging conditions. The stakes are high, as mistakes can lead to fines or a diminished catch, impacting the entire season's success. Precision and speed are essential to ensure compliance and maximize the valuable haul. The crabs are handled with care to avoid injury, ensuring that those released can continue to thrive. The expertise required to sort the catch efficiently and correctly is immense, reflecting the fishermen's deep understanding of their craft and the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. With the pots emptied and the crabs sorted, the race to shore begins. The crabs are kept alive in seawater-filled holding tanks to preserve their freshness. The boat navigates back through the same treacherous waters it faced on the way out, now laden with its precious cargo. The journey to shore is filled with anticipation and requires utmost caution. The quality of the catch is of paramount importance, and every effort is made to ensure the crabs arrive in pristine condition. This stage culminates the fishermen's hard work at sea, where precise timing and careful handling are crucial to maintaining the crab's quality. Once the crabs reach the processing plant, the crucial stage of arrival and inspection begins. The offloading process is carefully orchestrated to maintain the crab's quality and freshness. As the crabs are transferred from the boats to the plant, they are handled with utmost care to prevent any damage. The stakes are high, as any mishandling at this stage can compromise the entire batch's quality. The inspection process is meticulous and thorough. Each crab is individually examined to ensure it meets the stringent quality standards set by the industry. Inspectors check for size, weight, and overall health, discarding any crabs that do not meet the criteria. This rigorous inspection ensures that only the finest crabs make it through to the next stage of processing. The stakes are incredibly high, as even a small oversight can lead to significant losses. Damaged or substandard crabs are immediately removed to maintain the highest product quality. The crabs, are then sorted by size and weight, with each category destined for different markets and uses. This sorting is done with precision, ensuring that each crab is correctly classified. The larger crabs might be reserved for high-end restaurants, while smaller ones could be destined for retail markets or processed into different products. Maintaining the cold chain is essential during this process. The crabs are kept at optimal temperatures to ensure their freshness and quality. Any deviation from the required temperature can affect the crab's texture and flavor, making this stage critical. Once sorted and inspected, the crabs are ready for the next steps in processing. This phase sets the stage for the high-quality product that consumers expect. The meticulous handling and thorough inspection at this stage ensure that only the best crabs continue on their journey from the sea to the plate. The expertise and dedication of the workers at the processing plant are evident in their careful and precise work, maintaining the high standards necessary for producing top-quality king crab. Following inspection, the crabs undergo thorough cleaning. This vital step removes any debris and ensures the crabs are prepared for further processing. They are placed in large industrial washers that gently but effectively clean every part of the crab. Maintaining hygiene and quality is crucial, as any contaminants could compromise the entire batch. Once cleaned, the crabs are prepared for cooking, with meticulous attention to detail ensuring each crab is perfectly prepped. This preparation stage marks the transition from raw seafood to a ready-to-eat delicacy, setting the foundation for the delicious final product that will reach consumers. The cleaned crabs are now ready for cooking. They are placed in large industrial steamers where they are cooked to perfection. Cooking time and temperature are meticulously controlled to ensure that the crab meat is tender and flavorful. Overcooking can make the meat tough, while undercooking can pose health risks. Once cooked, the crabs are rapidly chilled to lock in freshness. This chilling process is crucial to maintain the quality and safety of the crab meat. The cooked and chilled crabs are then moved to the next stage, where they are prepared for shell removal. Removing the shells from the cooked crabs is a delicate process. Specialized machines carefully crack the shells without damaging the precious meat inside. This step requires precision and care, as any mistake can waste valuable crab meat. The shell removal process is designed to maximize yield and maintain the integrity of the crab meat. The extracted meat is then inspected again to ensure no shell fragments remain. This meticulous process ensures that only the finest, shell-free crab meat moves forward to grading and packaging. The crab meat is now ready for grading. Each piece is evaluated for quality and sorted into different grades. This grading process ensures that only the best crab meat reaches consumers. The graded meat is then carefully packaged in various formats, from whole legs to lump crab meat. Packaging is done in a controlled environment to maintain the meat's freshness and quality. Each package is sealed to lock in flavor and prevent contamination. The packaged crab meat is then labeled with all necessary information, ready to be shipped to markets around the world. The final stage of the king crab production process is shipping and distribution. The packaged crab meat is loaded into refrigerated trucks and containers to ensure it stays fresh during transit. These shipments are carefully tracked to ensure timely delivery. The crabs make their way to restaurants, grocery stores, and markets around the world. The journey from the icy waters of the Bering Sea to the dinner plate is complete. Every step of the process, from braving the icy waters to meticulous packaging, ensures that consumers receive the highest quality king crab. So there you have it. A fascinating journey from the icy depths of the sea to your plate. This process artfully combines age-old fishing traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished around the world. If you want to explore more exciting Field to Fork stories, watch our next video.